Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you all how I make my go-to DIY neem mask. In the previous video, I told you all that I have rosacea and this is a DIY mask which has personally helped me a lot. So before moving forward, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you know of anyone who does have rosacea, do share this video with them because it helped me a lot and I'm pretty sure it's gonna help them as well. So without wasting any further time, let's go straight to my kitchen and get to making it. So in order to make this pack, all you need is a bunch of neem leaves, aloe vera gel, rose water and lavender oil. Neem leaves is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties and really works in soothing the skin. While aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties and is a key ingredient in most face masks which are used to treat rosacea, and rose water helps to bind both these ingredients together. Let's begin by adding a bunch of neem leaves in a blender. I am making a larger quantity so that this pack lasts a couple of days. So you guys can weigh the quantity as you feel. Up next, we have to scoop out the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaves, and I highly recommend using a blunt knife or a spoon in contrast to a sharp knife because this makes the process very seamless and easier. Trust me, I've tried it both ways. Then add a suitable quantity of rose water and blend this mixture together until it reaches a smooth paste-like consistency. If the mixture is too runny, you can add more neem leaves to thicken the consistency. On the flip side, if the paste is too thick, then add more rose water to get the desired consistency and keep blending it till it's proper. Once you get a desired consistency, empty it into the jar like I'm doing because I have made a larger portion. So I'll be storing this in my fridge and be using it up for like 3 to 4 days approximately. I add lavender oil to this mixture for 3 primary reasons. Firstly, it's anti-inflammatory and really good for rosacea. Secondly, it gets rid of the odor because this pack does not have a pleasant odor. And lastly, it helps the pack stay intact for longer. That is, it doesn't spoil if you add this essential oil. But then again, it's entirely optional. If you guys are allergic to lavender oil or don't want to add it, then it's totally up to you. But I highly recommend it though. Now take a spoon and thoroughly mix this so the lavender oil is evenly distributed. Keep in mind we've made 4 to 5 portions of this pack, which is why I have added 7 to 8 drops in contrast to 2 drops per portion. So you could have a skin reaction considering how concentrate lavender oil is if the oil remains on the top and doesn't get blended well in the pack. Now put this mixture in the fridge for a couple of hours so that it cools down and then you can apply it as and when you want for the next couple of days. So I applied this mask off camera and I let this stay in the fridge for around 2 to 3 hours. That's how long it takes for this pack to completely cool down. And the reason I do that is primarily it has one of the ingredients, that's aloe vera, which causes a tingling sensation, especially if your skin is sensitive, which mine is. So once this pack is chilled, that does not happen. There is gonna be no irritation of any sort. And I've been applying this for almost every day for the past 2 to 3 weeks, and that's when I saw results. So it's not gonna happen overnight, but again, you're gonna feel the cooling sensation at least, but the redness is gonna reduce over a period of time. So now I'm gonna let this sit for around 10 to 15 minutes before I wash it off, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. So I just washed off the pack and this is what it looks like. Obviously the redness is still there, but using these home remedies really helps the condition in staying stable, and it doesn't go from bad to worse. If you all have watched my previous video, you all would have seen how bad the situation was. So these home remedies along with the medications my doctor has prescribed me really helps keeping the condition in check so that I do not form more lesions like these. And I'm hopeful that this is also gonna go off eventually. That's what the treatment aims at. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Also in the next video I'll be sharing another home remedy which has personally helped me a lot. So stay tuned and share this with anyone who has rosacea and is really struggling with managing the symptoms. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. So until then, take care, goodbye.